Well, this is a lovely composition, isn't it? We have the Virgin Mary on my right, the infant Jesus, and St. Anne on my left. And it's quite relevant that St. Anne is included in this because the Trinitarian beliefs, including St. Anne, were particularly prevalent in Ulm at the beginning of the 16th century. What I find most interesting is that you see the vestiges of paint and gilding for a considerable period. I mean, more than 500 years worth of redecoration has been applied to the carved element. But the core of this object is the fine carving itself, evident, for example, in the Christ's hair. What would such a thing cost you today in the upcoming Timeline auction? Well, this could be yours for between £5,000 and £7,000. You get an awful lot for your money.